Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Bruce here with Stock Markets with Bruce, your buddy Uncle Bruce. Today's date is December the 20th. Can you believe it? The 20th of December. Oh my gosh, Christmas 4 or 5 days away. This is crazy. First of all, it's Monday, and I wanted to update you on how the markets are doing. We're about an hour and a half to go until we close today. This is a short week of trading. And this normally isn't all that crazy a week in historical terms, but this year things are different because we're already at home. In past years, going back, we would all be thinking about getting home and spending time with our families and stuff. We're already working from home and we are home. And so that's a little different. So we're trading from home now. We're buying and selling stock from home. And so it's just natural for us to be, picking off stocks or writing call options or trading options, whatever we're doing. So today, the market is got a lot of action to it, and I thought I would fill you in on what's been happening today. Right off the bat today, if you're taking a look at the Dow Jones quotes, look at the Dow Jones Industrial Index. We started lower right off the bat, and we went down by about 11:30 today Eastern time. We were as low as 700 and something points on the downside. And then we've had a bit of a recovery here. Up until a few minutes ago, we were just back to the 480, $500 level. And we may well, by the time this video airs tonight, after the markets are closing, it is possible that we may either go back down to the 700 range, but I have a suspicion we'll be higher than where we are now. It's just my gut feel. I think we're going to have a bit of a recovery coming into the market, simply because I think the market is oversold at the moment. Tax loss selling is pretty well abated. We're pretty well done with that. And I think people are going to start looking for bargains, and they're going to start coming in here for deals. And I just think the selling is going to dry out, and there won't be enough available bargain stock available for the demand coming into the market. That is my humble opinion, and we'll see how it goes. I've got the S&P down 65 points here. I've got the Nasdaq down 231. These point losses sound severe, but the reality is this: the S&P 500 and the Dow are down 1.4%, and Nasdaq is down 1.5%. That's it. That's the selling. That's what everyone is freaking about, or the headlines on some of these stock market guru pages. I mean, they're talking about 500-point drop on the Dow. Oh no, the world is coming to an end. Not happening. No, not happening. Good news today. Those of you who follow SoFi on a day like today of all days, Citigroup came out with a coverage. They're covering it for the first time. They are announcing an opinion. They're calling it a buy, and they're telling their investors it's a $20 price target. So SoFi is coming up with a buy recommendation with a $20 price target from Citi. First time ever covered. New initiating coverage. Good stuff. That's a wise move on their part, because I believe the stock will go beyond 20. But that's good to see. The stock at the moment is unchanged, and in today's stock market, this is pretty good to be unchanged with a Dow down 517 points. Yeah, it's not bad. Online banking, and I think SoFi is going to do exceptionally well. The volume is not heavy enough to concern this observer of the markets. In plain English, my attitude on it is, unless we have massive sell volume and 4 to 6% drop-offs on the indexes, we don't have anything to worry about. I don't believe in this market having a long-term down dip with a 1% a day move. We need that big catalyst day to really wake us up and say, this is it. This is the selling. But I don't see it happening. Oil is down today, 3.6% down, 261 a barrel. It was down about $4 a barrel this morning. It was over a 5% drop. But we're now down to the 68 level, 67 level. The world is drowning in oil, in my opinion, and I think this stuff should be 45, $50 a barrel at the most, but it's at the moment 68. It's nowhere near 100 a barrel, and nowhere near this 150 a barrel they were talking about. Cold winter stuff, give me a break. Not gonna happen, kids. Oil demand is now scheduled to be lower next year than previously thought. So that's the deal. Anyway, there you have it. The market is off at the moment. Right now, the Dow's down 526, but I have a suspicion we might have bottomed out for the day today, and we may have a bit of a recovery coming here. We'll have to see if we have an update tomorrow and or Wednesday, and then a flat day Thursday going into the holidays. We're only open till Thursday this week. We'll keep an eye on things. There's a lot of opportunities out there to write call options and make money on your portfolio. If you do not know how to write call options, you are missing out on a potential income source for your portfolio that could make all the difference in your life. There are folks who are watching me these days who are saying to me, Bruce, I had no idea. I had stock worth $150,000, mutual funds and ETFs and other shares. After talking to you and listening to you for a while, I adjusted my holdings so that I can now write call options, either against stock that I have or against options that I will invest in deep in the money options. I'll do poor man covered calls. I can bring in enough money to quit my day job. I had no idea I could quit work and just do this instead. Check out my lessons on my web site, stockmarketswithbruce.ca. The lessons are up here, the link. Check them out. There's 10 lessons. How to write options, how they work, how they depreciate, how you can score money as options shrink in value. You sell first, you buy later. You don't guess on what's going to go up. You're just going, hey, I got this stock. I'm going to write an option up here and watch it depreciate as it expires in time, and I'll take the money. Thank you very much. Don't have to be the greatest trader in the world to do this. Just be there with call options and take advantage of the time depreciation. You might be able to quit your full-time job and stay home full-time. Kind of nice. Oh, by the way, if you do write options, full-time, you don't have to be at home. If you have one of these, you can go anywhere in the world and with your account and keep writing options. So go on holidays. You're still working with this. So different. The world, oh my God, has it changed. Thanks for joining me today. Have yourself a good one. We'll talk to you later, everybody. Bye for now.